Hey friends, welcome back. Vince here. Today I'm going to be showing you how to cook a delicious lobster tail in the cast iron pan in just 5 minutes. It's so easy and delicious. If you've never done it, it might be a little bit intimidating, but I'm going to show you there ain't nothing to it. Now, since we're keeping it simple, there's only a few ingredients we're going to be using: garlic, olive oil, butter, Italian parsley, and lemon juice. So, butter. This is going to be one of the most important things. You don't want to use any sort of, butter that has canola oil or it's mixed with other stuff. There's a lot of butter that's on the shelves that is exactly that. So I recommend using Kerry grass-fed butter. Super easy to find no matter where you're at, and it's delicious too. So Vince, I got the grass-fed butter, I got Kerry, that's easy. I already got it in my fridge. What's next? So the next thing you want to do is you want to grab a big lobster tail. We went with the biggest. This guy is huge, It's clocking in at, I want to say just about a full pound. Most lobster tails are going to be like half, maybe even a third, or maybe a quarter of this size, but grab what you can. Now, if you enjoyed this video and you want to take it up a whole new level and you need a dipping sauce for your lobster, check out Cowboy Butter. I'm going to put a link right down in the description. All right, guys, there ain't nothing to this. So you're going to want to grab a pair of scissors. We're going to flip this lobster around just like this. And you're just going to come down right down the center of the tail like this. And you're going to chop with your scissors. Right down the middle till you get right about there, right where the tail comes. So from here, you just kind of come in with your fingers, you kind of split up, and then you can come right down the middle, and you can actually just let it rest right on the shell, just like that. That's it. That's all there is to it. Well, I absolutely recommend making a fresh batch of Cowboy Butter for this. If you don't have that kind of time and you just want to use some butter, lemon, and fresh parsley, there ain't nothing wrong with that either. Extra virgin olive oil in. Next, we're going to melt down some grass-fed butter on that medium heat and get it nice and melted down perfectly. So you're going to see this butter is going to start to bubble up. You know what that means. Let's get this sucker in. Now we're going to do meat side down directly on that butter. So once our lobster's been cooking for about, 40, 45 seconds, we're going to take some of that garlic, get that right into the pan. And that's instantly just going to make the smell pop. And make sure it's married with the lobster perfectly. Then we're going to grab just a little bit of that Italian parsley and carefully season that butter with the parsley. It's going to create a delicious bed for the lobster to cook in. It's been about a minute. Just going to flip this. Now, because it's real big, we're going to try to get some more direct contact with this huge piece of meat. Now, you can do it like this. Now, you can actually just cut it right along the center completely if you want to take that approach. But if you want really good presentation, it's nice to kind of keep it with the shell like this. Finally, a little bit of lemon juice. Get it back, meat side down. And you see that color is exactly what we're looking for. Now you can even take some of that butter and that parsley and that garlic. Make sure it gets all over the lobster. Just like that. All you need is a spoon. Nothing fancy. And now it's ready to plate. And you see, you can just rest it perfectly on top, just like that. Look, guys, if that ain't a beauty, I don't know what is. Damn. All right, guys, yeehaw. Have you guys ever seen a grown man eat a pound lobster tail right with his hands? Today you're gonna. Okay, let's see what we got going on here. Cheers, guys. Oh my God, that's unreal. The lemon with the parsley and the fresh lobster, man. Thanks for watching, guys. Make sure to give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. Make sure to let me know how you like to cook lobster, if you like doing it in the cast iron. Till next time.